What if the next smartphone you buy doesn't just compete, it dominates? The Xiaomi 15 Ultra has arrived, and it's not here to follow the rules. This isn't just another flagship release. It's a bold statement, a direct challenge to the reigning giants of Apple and Samsung. But does it have what it takes to truly shake the throne? We've gone deep, testing its limits, uncovering its quirks, and getting a feel for what sets it apart. Is this the new king of the smartphone world, or just another ambitious contender? Let's dive in. Let's start with what hits you first: the design. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is unapologetically bold. At 229 grams, this thing is hefty. But that weight isn't just for show, it screams premium. The aerospace-grade fiberglass back wrapped in faux leather adds both grip and durability. And then there's that colossal camera bump. It's no longer symmetrical like its predecessors, but hey, who needs symmetry when you've got a 200-megapixel telephoto sensor stealing the spotlight? The design is unique, sure, but it's also polarizing. Some might call it utilitarian, others might just call it, well, awkward. But let's be honest, you're not buying this phone for its looks alone. You're here for the tech and the cameras. This is where the Xiaomi 15 Ultra flexes the hardest. Co-engineered with Leica, it boasts a 50-megapixel main sensor that's already a superstar. But the real headline? That 1.14-inch 200-megapixel telephoto sensor. Yeah, you heard that right. Photos come out rich, vibrant, and incredibly detailed. Unlike the hyper-processed look of some competitors, Xiaomi leans into a more natural aesthetic. It's like Leica handed the phone a degree in photography. The telephoto lens is a beast. Whether you're snapping wildlife from afar or creeping on your neighbor's backyard, capturing distant landmarks, it delivers clarity that's hard to beat. Now, when it comes to video, can the 15 Ultra dethrone the iPhone? Xiaomi certainly thinks so. It supports up to 8K recording, log video capture, and advanced stabilization. But here's the kicker: the iPhone still edges out in dynamic range and consistency, while the Xiaomi offers better resolution and more control for pro-level editing. It's a close call, but if you're a videographer who loves tweaking settings, the 15 Ultra is your playground. Under the hood, we've got Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, paired with lightning-fast RAM and storage. Translation? This thing eats multitasking for breakfast and powers through the most demanding games like a boss. Xiaomi's HyperOS 2.0, based on Android 15, is snappy and visually polished. There are AI tools for everything from image editing to real-time translation. But, and this is a big but, the software still feels cluttered in places. Think of it as a mansion with too many hidden rooms. Sure, it's exciting, but it's also easy to get lost. The 6.8-inch AMOLED display is jaw-dropping. With a peak brightness of 3,200 nits, it's brighter than most of its rivals, making it perfect for outdoor use. Colors pop, and the 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate keeps things smooth. The battery, however, is a mixed bag. It's smaller in the EU version due to regulations, and while the 90-watt fast charging is a lifesaver, the overall endurance could have been better. Still, a 15-minute charge for 50% juice? Sign me up. Here's where Xiaomi wins big. At 1,299 pounds, it undercuts its main rivals while offering more RAM and storage. The catch? Availability. Xiaomi doesn't officially sell its phones in markets like the US or Australia, so you'll need to import one. And compatibility with local carriers, that's a gamble. Starting at £1,299, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra undercuts the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra. But there's a catch. Availability is limited, especially in the US and Australia, where importing could mean no carrier support. Is it the new Camera King? Almost. The hardware is exceptional, the cameras are stellar, and performance is top tier. But software quirks and regional availability hold it back from true dominance. Is it worth the hype? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.